Wait, don't move.
Oh, great. Now I got nothing to say.
Let's go.
Here we go.
Oh, shit.
Do I look like a slave master?
Oh, yeah, because you changed your costume. So let's go.
Almost.
You have a flamethrower?
What? Oh, right. No, he has that. I remember.
I don't have
This is a weird costume. I don't know why I picked it.
Well, you're stuck with it until we load up a save again.
Wait, is there some ammo right here? No, it's just... What? Oh, right. Oh,
It's a boom box.
I remember how this game goes
Hey,
now.
there's two things right
Alright, let's just go.
Which one? There's
Wait,
another one.
This
Oh,
one.
wait,
This one
this
moves
is...
on.
This?
Let's just go.
But, mechs! We're building a motherfucking mech!
Fuck that thing.
Oh, I guess I don't need you guys.
Aha, screw you.
It's a fucking store!
The Thunder Smack? I like that.
It synthesizes traveling thunderstorms. You can also
You could be
combine
stormed.
thunderstorms to unleash a massive tempest.
That Thunder Smack.
Tempest.
Should we get it if we all agree on when to do it?
No. We should never get it.
Alright.
But Tempest, though.
I was very tempted.
Is that the last one? That's the last fucking one. It's like the strongest thing.
Is it really though?
It is the last one. Look.
What is this? What is this again? I forgot. Is this the ice one or is this the ice one?
This is the last one. It clearly says Frost Cannon. Omega.
Where the fuck does it say Frost Cannon?
Frost Cannon? What do you mean?
Oh,
Where does it say Frost Cannon?
There it is.
Well, I can't afford none of the cool ones.
What's this?
I'm out.
Shit.
Alright, if you're not getting this, then I'm just gonna have to buy this for myself.
This Dark Star sounds tempting.
I'm still gonna get the fucking Thunder one.
So I re-enter.
Wait, can I have an elite something?
I think you're a few volts shy, Rook.
Damn you! Alright, let's do this. Oh yeah, I got my little thing. My little the one other thing I bought. This thing. Hell yeah. I got my robot friend. See, we are playing 4 people. It is all 4-1. Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
All 4 of us.
There.
Huh?
Alright, let's do this. Look at it now, it's all fucking huge.
Wait, where's my gun? Cumbuster?
I'm ready.
What'd you call it?
Combuster.
Cumbuster?
What?
Oh, sorry.
Where's my gun I just bought? Are we on Halo?
Again, yes. God damn.
Over here.
I don't know how many times I brought that up. Alright, alright. We're on Halo.
Ringworld.
Ringworm.
It was just a scene.
Whoa! I thought it was gonna suck us up, but really it's sucking us
What the
down.
hell's happening? I don't even understand what's going on.
Is it sucking us up?
Yeah,
sucking
we're
us down?
falling. We're fucking falling like motherfuckers right
No, it's sucking us up.
Oh, what?
What?
What the?
Inception.
What is that?
Inception.
A pharaoh?
You should have seen it. It was Inception.
I've never seen that movie.
Are we? Why are we paused?
And to destroy 3 charging docks.
Oh yeah, we
Got
can
it.
grapple to each. All right.
How do you do
Right.
that?
Wait, I don't think... Yeah, okay, though.
How do you suck them? Oh, there we go.
Circle, hold, circle.
You ready, pal?
Where am I? Am I dead?
I got you.
Oh. I was like, oh damn.
Where's the...
No, I need ammo.
It's red. You can't get any more.
You guys can't. Motherfucker.
You fell!
You, what are you talking?
Okay,
You dropped
come
me
on,
right
get
off
up
the
here.
edge.
Fuck this! Woo! How do you guys not see the triangle?
I didn't see it.
You don't see the triangle.
You're right. TV's too far.
This. Getting right in there. I had it with all the shooting shit. I'm getting in there. I'm tired of it. Tired of this.
What are you doing? You just...
Fucking jackhammer this shit. Take this. Close enough.
Good job, everyone.
Good job.
Watch out for those fans, rookies. It's a long way
Player
down.
3. I'm player 3. I have
Yeah.
low battery.
No, it's Joe, actually.
Are you player 3, Joe?
I am.
Yo, last, don't worry. PS3 controllers last like a good hour until they actually run out of ammo.
Oh, you're gonna die because of this fan. Sorry.
What the hell? How did Joe make it through? What the fuck?
That's a good question.
I walked.
Wow.
That's the stuff.
Whoa!
Oh no!
Oh!
I should have thought of the triangle.
Together now.
I saved him.
Well, I linked them. You bitch!
Aha!
No, don't kill me.
We did it. Hurry up. This motherfucker.
Gandalf over here.
Looks like you found
What are you talking about? You got all the good stuff already.
plastic. You're fired.
That was the funniest thing he said so far. You are fired. Zach Brannigan.
Oh, this guy wants some. This guy wants some motherfucking.
He wants some tomato juice.
Yeah, I just imagine like little kids going through the internet. Oh man, look at me, Ratchet and Clank. Oh man, I love Ratchet and Clank. I found it every day. Oh man, for real, yeah.
Can I step on these yet?
They're all
Yeah.
cussing and everything.
Ah,
What's wrong
I
with you
got
guys?
shot twice.
damn. Can you jump over? Oh no, you can't
No.
jump over it.
You may not jump over it.
Wow.
Why would you do that?
Haha.
Right here.
Get over here.
Oh, that looks sharp.
Not
No,
you.
no.
This vacuum is quite handy.
The arrows on the machine right here. Look at that.
You think they mean something? Oh no.
Really use some nanotech about now. Hop in.
This looks
Wait,
like
we need a
Oh, that goop.
like goop.
this thing looks like oh shit. That thing that slices up like vegetables. A machine. The other side, over here.
Oh, do the yeah. That'll do it. Don't worry. I don't feel so good either. I drank it a lot. Are we dead?
We
Did
broke
we mess
it.
that up? Did we fuck
Yeah,
that
because
up?
you guys were standing on it. I was the one safe.
Wow. We really died. We died because of that.
Oh shit.
Where there's static electricity, there's lightning. I don't think that's what that is.
That's how it works. Shut
I
up.
don't think that's the same.
That's how
I feel
it
like
works.
there must be some sort of.
Can I suck in your goop? Sure, you here.
Gross.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, that was pretty gross. That was pretty bad. I didn't even think of it like that before Danny said it. And when he said it,
Oh, I
and
did.
I was like, God damn.
Well, there was a goner.
Now,
Why?
We're gonna find out. Suck it.
can you just kill yourself? Oh, well, there you
Oh,
go.
it's-
Take that, game.
Take that! Game!
Expecting us to fucking do it all over. What? Don't die.
Man, you guys fucking can't platform for shit. Oh, damn it, no!
Oh
You got
My
fucking
powers!
You
My
gotta-
powers!
You got a god smack.
Where do my powers go? You guys can't
That's called
platform
karma.
for shit. Fucking run across this bitch this time. Redemption. Redemption. Here we go. All my redemption right here. Now don't go yet. Don't go. Oh! Oh! Made it across. Made it across. I Gandalfed all the experience.
I don't know how I survived that, but I did.
Fucking- This game kind of cheats. This game sort of cheats.
It's for the casuals.
It is really a casual game.
Politicians' favorite word.
If you're not casual, you may not like this game. If you want,
Wait.
oh damn
What
it!
he's not saying about us though. We're playing it.
Yeah,
well,
I'm
we're
not,
enjoying it.
Oh
I'm
man.
not liking it that much.
I'm enjoying it.
You're enjoying this. You're just loving it. You're loving
I'm
it.
using my imagination, damn it.
You're
Look at the
imagining-
fucking colors. It's kind of hard to use your imagination.
I,
Oh no!
The alcohol helps. I tell you that. Drink.
Over here, cadet.
Drink.
I'm trying. Oh, I'm dead. I'm down. I tried getting to the other side. If only someone would help me. I gooped that bitch. Bitches love goop.
What does it mean when my blaster starts clicking?
No, don't be on it.
Oh, did we all die?
Charging dot beta deactivated.
What's it called?
Wait, how come it saved you guys?
I jumped across.
No, you guys were on it.
Yeah, we were on it.
Maybe we should look for some sort of exit strategy.
He thinks he's a boss. Look at him.
Yeah, he's some mini boss. He ain't shit.
Cute.
I ain't even worried.
What the
Crazy.
fuck?
Hey,
Whatever.
what the hell? Who paused it like that?
I didn't pause it.
The game lagged.
And the game lags. Oh, right.
5. Okay.
Sorry about that.
Shoot.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm down. I need the same help that I had just recently given.
I got you. I got you. Get fired.
I need some like ammo.
Oh. Pick me up.
Little help here, guys? Back in action.
Yeah. What is that timer for?
Start running.
Oh my god.
There's only so
8,
many seconds.
7, 6. Hurry. Jump, Joe. I got.
Hop in.
He didn't do it. Fucking
I don't even know what happened.
go.
Oh!
Oh,
Fucked up.
I thought everything's gonna blow up.
Josh fucked up.
You fucked up.
Okay. Joe, you launch us.
Go.
Do it right.
I tried.
Keep sucking. Oh, we're dead. Alright, cool.
I know how to suck.
Don't touch those. They're from Resident Evils.
Oh shit, they look
Oh wait,
purple.
they don't do anything. We just push
Yeah, I
us back.
ran right into it.
Yeah.
Oh, isn't that weird?
I ran into it so
I
fast.
thought it was gonna hurt so good.
So no, it's not Resident Evil.
Yeah, this ain't shit. Just like how your mom was never
Good.
shit. You hear what I said about you, Dean?
Get in.
Oh yeah.
What are you doing?
Why'd you jump out?
I didn't. When you jumped, it kicked me out.
There.
Redemption feels good.
Too far to jump.
I need a skateboard so I can do some.
Your character
break-
just said it's too far to jump, and you jump.
Man, you don't know shit. Who's controlling who?
There, get in.
Alright,
All right, Quark.
thanks.
I don't know why you guys didn't just rope over to me.
That was great.
Because.
Like this. Oh,
Go!
oh no.
I died again.
Redemption. I must redemption as hard as I can all across this platformer's face. These fucking platformer for casuals. Redemption.
Fuck!
I got one.
You get all of them.
You go.
Yeah, we only got 7 seconds left. I don't know what that means.
Go do it.
Alright, Josh did it. Let's go.
I think it was kind of like teamwork or something.
What is this? A co-op game? Get
I
out
don't
of
know,
here.
man.
Get in.
You're not Ratchet.
Thanks.
Why would you do
What a
that?
fucking
Get in.
dick.
Oh, those guys shit over there.
What the fuck was that? You
Get
killed
in.
him! You murdered that man! You fucking shot him to his doom!
Jump! What a dick move.
This platform rank shit. You're see Mario, man, I made that bitch my bitch.
I have your back, Ratchet.
Oh.
What you call me?
Common term of endearment in the ghetto. You need help?
Oh shit!
Don't worry, Danny. My robot will help you a little bit. He is the weak. I need someone else to be shooting this thing. It needs at least 2 people hitting me. Oh no, never mind. I just gotta get a little closer. Oh, it's fucking hurting.
Alright, get this side.
Alright. There we go. Oh.
Pick me up.
Oh, Jesus!
Your president has returned.
Yeah, this time nobody was in it.
Boom, 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 boom.
Charging down the camera.
How, 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 how.
What's the guy's name, huh?
Shutting down.
Missile minions, I think. What? Oh, dude, I got the frost gun. Take that.
It's not working.
Hell yeah, it worked.
Am I the only with a normal?
Look at that. Look at all that. Look at that coming
No,
straight
I'm
to
using
me.
it too. I'm out.
Nice.
Whoa, I'm dead.
I'm out though. You gotta
Pick me
get off
up.
the. You gotta get off the ammo so I can get some ammo.
Hey.
Why'd you get all the ammo?
We get 3 sets of ammo. I only got 1. Joe got 2.
Handle.
Do I have to declare any of this?
Couldn't handle all the ammo.
No, get out of here.
We unload.
Shutting down
We're going to the Independence Day spaceship.
Blah blobber. Take it. Take it, bitch.
What is that?
Blah blobber.
No, that.
Oh, that
It's called mine.
thing.
Rat. Where's the ship? The parachutes.
What are we doing? Oh, we finished it.
Oh, that's what the end of the level looks like. Of course.
Guess who won? Yeah, that's what I like to see. Yeah. Yeah. Winner is you!
You're the biggest self-serving douchebag on our whole team.
I
Most
died.
bolts. Clunk fool.
Noble efforts. See? Noble efforts.
Clunk shit. More like it.
I die.
What?
I die. I can't even see this fucking city.
Oh, we're falling. What a surprise.
Jump! Woo! 3D.
Oh,
What the fuck? Oh, okay. It's part of the game.
Oh, okay.
We can move. Oh, right. It was a wrap.
Hey, rookies, come in.
Suck it.
My goop's not working in this.
President is alive.
Wait, do we suck to move or what?
Yeah, we suck to move.
I just said that.
Suck harder to the left. Suck harder to the right.
What's the worst that can happen
Suck harder. Make it go
in
back.
this fucking casual
It
game?
explodes. Sucking too hard.
I'm not even gonna move it.
Deep throat it.
Why you gotta say it like that, though?
What was that? Huh?
What's that noise?
See ya, fuckers.
Hey, you can't suck to me.
Go ahead. Go ahead and leave. I don't give a shit. I am Simba. Wait, no, I need Pride Rock. I need
Why are you
Pride
even
Rock.
going that way?
Pride Rock.
Wait, you can't suck it out of here.
Wait, really? You can't leave?
That's it? This is destination?
Really? I told you we need Pride Rock. We all need some pride.
Oh my.
Like Saiyans.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Are we supposed to suck each other?
I don't think this is the way.
Ratchet.
Let's get on the thing again. Come on.
See that? See that little...
You made it.
Get on the raft.
Ah,
My guy.
little bitch.
My guy can't... You
There.
bastard.
Better take one for the team.
Oh, God. Oh, damn. Finally.
Yeah, taste of your own medicine.
Finally
How
get
do
you
like
back.
it? How do you like it?
I thought my guy could swim. I was wrong.
Hey, we go faster if we all are stuck in the same part.
No, we make
Gross.
it finish faster that way.
We finished faster.
Fuck
than
that.
else.
No, there's something over there.
And we will never know. Wait, boomerang.
You're the last one. Why you tell us?
Last one, what?
No, we need to go back.
Oh,
I
shit.
told you.
Oh, wait. Nothing happened.
Stop fucking us over.
Forward. Stop pushing it back.
No.
What is wrong with...
2 is better than 1.
Josh, what are you doing?
I am helping.
There.
Those are parasitic sea mines, rookie. Take 'em out.
Those are what?
Yeah, I know.
Let's go, big fella. Keep
Monsters.
moving. What did you say to me? Come on back and say it.
Why'd you jump?
I don't know. I thought it was like something I could. I don't know. It was treasure.
Big spikes and you jump at it?
I thought treasure. I'm sorry. I'm used to hardcore games where danger means reward.
You don't know what a hardcore game is.
Prepare for impact.
Gandalf over
Oh,
here.
that's not good.
Danger used to mean reward back in my day, kids. Nowadays, danger just means certain doom and you don't do it.
Holy crap.
It ain't right, I
That's
tell you.
treasure.
Mine.
Obvious ass casual shit like that.
Not good.
Fuck. This game is so fucking casual. We go from like one of the like cult classic, hardcore fucking
You don't
some
even know what
shit.
that means, Josh. Calm down.
What were we playing anyway?
Champions of
Holy
North.
Champion!
No, he's playing Ponies Forever.
Champion!
Hey, you shut the fuck up about Clip Clop. Applejack. Nightmare. Nighttime. Nightingale. No, it's Twilight. There we go, Twilight. That was it. Twilight.
Hit it! What the fuck?
I got the thing.
Yes! Yeah, you can still do it. Come on. Hit it!
I can't aim. There we go.
Where? Oh shit!
Abandon the ship.
You shall be avenged.
That's what I get for helping. Now what?
You gotta think of something.
Now what?
Do we just die?
They...
Let's do this.
No!
Almost.
Launch explosive devices at something o'clock.
Try to hit the thing.
Hey, what?
Oh, you're the only one who didn't hit it?
You guys didn't hit it.
No, I hit it. I made sure that I hit it.
You want me to check the fucking replay? It's on the fucking thing.
Yeah, go ahead. Check
I
it.
hit it.
I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna
didn't
shoot
hit
you
it.
at the rocks.
You did not hit it. Throw me at this rock right here. Yeah. Good. Go. No. No.
Dude,
no.
it says you can
No.
land there.
No.
Alright.
Forward.
fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah, right there. Go.
There, kill myself.
Go.
Kill yourself.
Close.
Kill yourself.
You
Shall
kill
be
yourself.
avenged.
Damn.
Jump.
Mr. Bond,
Jump.
Hop in.
I expect you to
Someone
die.
jump. I got an
dying.
idea. Just
Bye.
jump. Jump on my thing. What the fuck?
Fine, fine. Here we
You
go.
ready, pal?
That's not the correct way.
Actually, yeah, I think we can stop. Fuck it.
Jesus.
Jesus?
Jesus.
I like cheddar cheese.
I need some Chinese food.
Chinese food?
Yes.
Mmm. Me too.
Okay, let's not pass up every cool thing. this time.
No. We're passing up all the fucking cool things.
My treasure.
Shall
fell.
be avenged.
Okay, let's try to stay away from those things this time.
You're the one that's not doing it. What are you talking about?
What did I just do? What did I just do?
You're right,
I
going right
evaded
fucking
it. No, I evaded those, and now y'all are fucking running around, chicken's
Okay.
heads cut off, not knowing what the fuck
Okay,
is going on.
get ready to hit it.
I hit it.
Alright,
Joe missed it last time.
now we go.
I hit it. I'm the only one that did.
No,
I'm not
You
gonna
guys
argue.
are stuck in the wrong way.
I will argue.
I'm not gonna argue because it's on the fucking
We're
recording.
crossing the streams.
So, we're just gonna leave it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
That's not good.
Jump!
No, why? We are not sinking.
Ratchet.
Oh,
We just ease our way forward.
Prepare for
Fucking
impact.
shit, Joel, you just fucking ran us right into it. Oh god.
He's back.
Shit, Joel. Remember, that's how Grandma used to talk to us. Fucking shit, you little bastard. Oh god, I miss Grandma.
Shut up!
Grandmama. Oh, Grandmama. You remember Grandmama?
Yeah, dude. Hey. Oh, kill. Oh, shit. Oh. Yes. Shoot. Shoot. Oh, I'm dead. I need you guys to return the favor for me.
Let him die.
You fucking asshole.
That's what Grandmama would have wanted.
Oh, man. Oh, it's danger. Go.
No, careful.
Yeah, we made it.
Ammo.
What the hell?
Wait for me, please.
Yeah, wait.
You suck.
I told you.
I love this song.
Alright. What do you guys recommend? Ice or the thunder?
Thunder!
Thunder. Thunder. Thundercats!
Alright. I buy it.
One brand new Thunder Smack.
Woo!
Sorry, Rook. I'd spot you if I could.
Okay. Are you wearing a shirt?
That's what I call awesome.
You're Clank?
What?
Clank, is you wearing a shirt?
Yeah. He's expect you to die, Mr. Bond.
I'm the only one who didn't choose a costume.
Why would you?
You're
Well,
casual.
yeah, no, I mean, like, all of your costumes sucked anyway, so that kind of makes sense.
I had a fucking ski mask.
Yeah, it's fucking sucked. Did you see it?
I had a
It's
shirt
horrible.
too. I didn't want to choose it. I wanted to keep it normal.
Look at my huge ass ice gun.
I won't.
Oh, Mr. fucking Pyromaniac over here. Look at me. Look at me.
Fire.
Hey, where's my fucking gun?
Fire.
What? How did you even?
You have the
That smells
thunder
good.
one
What
too?
is that?
No,
That
I got
smells
fire.
Oh, perfect.
What? What is this?
Fire.
Hollow Diary 003.
0 0.
22 years since I lost Mr. Dinkles.
22.
I checked the fjords of Rancoon, the
Fjords.
meadows of Tortum Fine, and even
Tortum
the bluffs
Fine.
of Vendros.
Fend.
Nothing. I know he's out there.
I
Poor Mr. Dinkles. I
Damn
shudder to think of the countless birthdays he spent as a slave to Nevo's machinations.
Machinations. What?
Plans does that traitor
Look at
have
his
for
face. His mouth goes into his like cranium. Did you see that?
That's how they are. Shut up. Stop making fun of them.
I'm not. I mean,
That's racist.
That's racist.
I'm sorry. That's specious.
You're racist.
It's not even racist.
That's racist.
Specious.
It's a race of aliens, and you're making fun of them.
Well, I mean, their mouths are fucked up, and their ears are too big.
Whoa.
Lips are all huge.
Oh man.
Okay, with mouths that long, I guess you should kind of expect lips that huge, though.
Racist.
Big fat lips, and they can't hold jobs.
You saying they have a big mouth? Hmm?
Yeah. They got a huge
And they
mouth.
kidnap things?
And they grow up in ghettos. Alien ghettos. Completely unlike any kind of ghetto in America.
It's an alien. We all saw the ghetto. It was called District 9, alright?
Yeah, that was a pretty fucked up place, I'm not gonna lie. Like,
Alien
that
ghetto.
was fucked up even by Africa standards. It was. Dude, you remember that movie, District 9? Dude,
Yes,
that
I
place
have
is
it. I own it.
fucked.
It's great. It's a great
God
movie.
damn, dude.
I'm waiting for the sequel, so.
So I can eat some cat food.
Those aliens, they
Oh,
did all
yeah.
kinds of fucked up shit, too. They would just
Fuck.
eat people and
weren't
stuff.
eating people.
No, dude. No, they
Oh,
fucking
wait.
tore them apart and ate them. That happened a lot.
Where's the fucking finale of this? You know what?
Nanotech? I'm in peak physical condition.
Oh, so is that
My shit doesn't read.
Yeah, don't mind me. I'm just fucking hitting this thing. That's what?
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 fuck? I sacrificed myself
There you go.
Are you kidding? Are you? What is that? What the fuck?
I sacrificed. We all sacrificed ourselves for you.
What?
We did it for you. Now go.
Must be more careful.
Well, I'll make it if I make it, but I mean, I feel like if I don't make it, none of us make it. I feel like.
Let's do this.
Oh.
Right here. Wait.
Speed run. Challenge mode, go! Don't you guys like the challenge mode? We gotta make our own challenge mode. This game's
Shut
too
up.
casual for its.
Oh, fuck.
For casual
Now
mode.
be
Stop.
your man.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
No.
Go.
We're at full speed ahead of this bitch.